Are you wondering how to get paid Udemy courses for free? Well, in this video, I'll be walking you through 4 ways to go about it. Hey, it's Edwin here from the Tech Savage. This is a place where we convert your watch time to value added with tech related stuffs. If you are new here, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. All the links to everything mentioned will be found in the description below. I'll be going through 4 methods. Last one is my favorite, so stick around and let's jump right into it. So first thing first, we have to go to our web browser and we have to go to a website called 100offdeal.online. So basically what you have to do is just search for on Google for 100 off deal, and once you search for it, it should bring suggestion out. So the first one, that's the site, so we're going to click on it and let's see how the site looks like. So we're going to wait, let it load up. So once it loads up, we can see loads of courses here, and there's a section up here where it says find a free course. So you can search for any course you like you can see my history. I've searched for Photoshop, YouTube and the likes. But why I would not advise you to do that is if you search for a course, the coupon might have expired, because all these courses are based on coupon and they are time based. As you can see, this course was uploaded August 4, and if you check my time down here, or my date rather, it says Wednesday 4th of August. So this course is a recent course with a recent coupon. As you can see, 100 off deal. So the deal is based on time. So now let's click on the course. So let's say I want this course, hands-on ASP.NET core. So this course is for maybe people, web developers, people that are interested in courses like this. So once you click on the course, or probably open it in a new tab, it's going to open like this. So you have to scroll down and click on get coupon or get this course for free. So once you click on get this course for free, it's going to open it in a new tab and take you straight to Udemy. So once it takes you straight to Udemy, it's going to give you an option to enroll now, and as you can see, it says 2 days left at this price. So the original price is for $89.99 USD, but right now it says free, so you can enroll. So before we enroll, I'm just going to search this course online, and what I want you to take note of is the name, this created by. So on Google, I'm just going to search for this same course. So let's assume someone told you about this course and you had to search on Udemy. So you search on Google and you see the course. So let's assume you don't know how to get coupons. So as you can see, the original price is $89.99, but Udemy is giving you a discount of 84% off. So it says 4 hours left to get this. So you can buy this course for $13.99 right now, and in 4 hours time it will be back to $89.99 USD. But then we can get it free using this website. The second one is Udemy King. So you can just go to Google again and search for Udemy King. So once you search for Udemy King, hopefully you would see the website. That's www.udemyking.com. So all you need to do is click on it. So the interface of this website is not all that nice. So let's click on this CSS and Bootstrap. That's for people, web designers and stuff. We have other courses here other than courses for web designers. So we'll scroll down and we'll click on enroll. So like I said, there are free courses. Free courses means there is no price, there's no discount, it is just free of charge. And the downside to that is you don't have a certificate. Okay, this course is not entirely free, it has a discount, and there's a coupon applied. As you can see, the coupon is here. So in 2 days time, this course would be off and you can get it for $89.99. So like we did before, I'm just going to search for this course on Google and see the original price that it is on Udemy. So I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to see the course. That's CSS and Bootstrap. So let's see who the creator is. So this was created by Creative Online School. So let's make sure The link we opened is the same thing. So as we can see, created by Creative Online School. So let's see the price that is on this without the coupon applied. So you can get this course for $13.99, and in 4 hours time this will go back to the basic price. So at the same time, let's assume we had a coupon and we didn't know about that site. All we need to do is just apply that coupon on here, and the price should change from $13.99 to free, as you can see. So basically that's just how you do it. So the third option is my favorite, but I'm going to show you an easier way to get courses without coming to this website, either the 100 off deal or the Udemy King, or this last one I want to show you. So this last one is called app.real discount. So once you go on Google, you can just search for app real discounts, and once you search for it, it should bring the website app.realdiscount.com. So once you open it up, it's going to load and you're going to see the interface. Actually, the interface of this is really crazy. I think I prefer this to the first two, although this is nice also, this 100 off deal. So once you come on free Udemy online courses, that's this app.realdiscount.com. The interface here is a bit complicated, so you have to get accustomed to it before you might be able to, navigate through. So all we need to do is click on latest free courses, although we have popular courses here. But like I said in my first when I was talking about this, I said most times when you click on it, it might have already expired since the coupons are time-based. As you can see, this was uploaded an hour ago, but these are not in English, so you have to also be conscious of the ones that are in English. So all we have to do now is click on more. So I'm just going to open more in a new tab and close this current one and close Google also. So we're going to wait while it loads. So now that it's loaded, you can either use the filter to choose exactly what you're looking for, if it's under development, design, IT and software and the likes. So basically we have to just look for a course. So I'm going to choose one, Learn Bash. This was uploaded 2 hours ago, and React. So let me choose this. So as you can see, expires in 3 days, and it says the original price is $19.99 USD. So let's go here and see. So we have to scroll down. We're not going to go down too much. So as you can see, we have get coupon here. Once you click on get coupon, it's going to load up and show you the course so you can enroll for it. So it says in 2 days time this price would revert back to $19.99. I'm going to show you my favorite method, that's without you coming online here. So basically what you have to do is, while still on app.realdiscount.com, because this is my best site actually out of all, so I'm just going to reload this so the page loads up. I think it went offline or something. So you scroll down like to the last part of the page, and once you're down, you're going to see follow us. So you can follow them on WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook and the likes, LinkedIn. So I'm just going to click on Telegram here, and once I click it, Telegram should load up, and as you can see it says view in Telegram. So you can click that if you're using your mobile phone, but I'm just going to copy their username and open my Telegram up, so and paste it. And once I paste, this is how their icon looks like. So you click on it, so it's going to show you a lot of courses that they uploaded recently. So your job now is just to search. Like as you can see, this course is MX Excel data analysis. So, and it says 100% off, so always look out for this. So let me just look for a course I'll click on. Okay, let me go with this YouTube Academy. It says the complete guide from beginner to pro. So all you can do is maybe click on this link and it's going to open in your browser, or you can copy the web address. Let's copy it this way and paste it in your browser, but I already clicked on it. So as you can see, it's very easy from Telegram, because once a new course is uploaded, they upload it, so you don't have to be online. Like you don't have to be on your web browser and going to that website and trying to navigate through. All you have to do is wait and get a notification from your phone, and you see a course. So now what we're going to do is click on get coupon, and like I did before, I copy this and paste it on my browser to see the original price of the course. So as you can see, this is it, YouTube Academy, the complete guide 2021. So let me see here, it says enroll now. So I want to see the original price. It says $19.99, it's free. So in 24 hours you will not be able to get this course for free anymore. So that's why it's always good to follow them. That way, once the course is uploaded on their site, you get a notification either on Telegram or WhatsApp or LinkedIn or Twitter, like it is on their website. I'm just going to go back to YouTube Academy, and as you can see, the course price here is $13.99. So all you can do now is apply coupon just to test it out, but basically you don't have to follow this process. Once you click on the course and click on get coupon, basically all you have to do is enroll. So basically that's all. That's the last step. So also you can follow me on Telegram at the Tech Savage, and as you can see, this is my Telegram link. So just search for the Tech Savage, you're gonna see us. So we have so many stuffs here, like watching of DSTV free, how to set up different apps like this, how to browse free, unlimited DSTV codes and stuffs like that, So do well to follow us. We have so many tutorials there. So thank you for watching, and if you are new here again, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. All the links to everything mentioned will be found in the description below.